Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Blip file transfer app on your Windows 11 PC. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you have to open any web browser. Here I'm going to open Google Chrome browser. Now, search on the address bar Blip download. Now, open the first page. Here you will see the list of available operating system. Since I'm going to download for Windows, I'm going to choose this download button for Windows. Clicking on the save button, and this is the installer file. Double click on it. And here you can see that the file is downloading from Microsoft Store. Here you can see that after downloading the file, it is being installed. And this is the official Blip file transfer app. Now you can use this app by signing in with your email address. Thank you for watching.